Hello world! Welcome to my channel. In this video you are going to learn how to install Windows 10 in VMware Workstation. First of all, select Create New Virtual Machine. Then select Typical. Then browse Windows 10 ISO file and open it. Now enter product key and select Windows 10 Pro and enter username and password. Now browse to the folder where you want to install Windows 10. Now select Split Virtual Disk into multiple files and click Next. Now click on Customize Hardware and select Number of Processors 2 and click Close. Don't forget to click on Power on this virtual machine after creation. This will automate all the process. Now sit back and relax. It will take up to 10 to 20 minutes for installation. In this process Windows 10 will restart several times.